Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. Just finished building this beautiful 331 Ford 415 horsepower turnkey engine package for our customer's 1966 Mustang Fastback GT. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. You have the roller lifter cam in there, 331 stroker engine, power forged pistons, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, brand new balancer, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set, brass freeze plugs installed, oil pressure extension installed for easy hookup, oil pressure switch, proper oil pan for the 66 Mustang front sump oil pan. You have the Taylor ignition wires in black, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there, all the vertical wire looms. It's real nice black ridge valve covers with the matching air cleaner with a washable filter. Distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, Holley sniper fuel injection systems on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. Every engine is live run at the Engine Factory and tested for over 45 minutes. The complete Holley sniper fuel injection menu screen will be completely dialed in, all the settings set for you, plug and play, ready to go. Timing will be set. Again, sniper fuel injection all set, the menu screen. We have the automatic flex plate, proper balance and tooth count for the customer's transmission and the 331 Ford engine. Manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy vacuum hookups. PCV ventilation line and PCV valve installed. Heavy duty Russell hose on there. This real nice black Wraptor pulley kit, AC compressors on there, self-tensioning belt tensioner, 8-rib heavy duty serpentine belt, high flow aluminum water pump, lower hoses on the proper location for the 66 Mustang passenger side hookup, 160 amp one wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there, ready to go. So again, this is our 331 Ford 415 horsepower roller cam engine with the Holley sniper fuel injection, ready to go. Thanks for watching.